backwards to y'all, but yeah. Mixed with brown rice. Oh yeah. And also, last but not least, our fish, which should be already, yeah, defrosted. We're gonna stick that in the pressure cooker. After we stick it in the pressure cooker, we're gonna fry that mug. Straight up air fry. I'm just gonna have a good old go. You want a sneak peek? I'll show you what it look like. You got the rice down at the bottom. See that? Got my protein shake going, so. It's a mixture of blueberries, blackberries, and acai slice, and also milk. Not just regular milk, but I got that skim milk. Yep, 2 gallons of that mix. This is what I add protein. Trying to destroy this thing, and it's winning, you know. Check game, 441 point, whatever number is gonna end on calories. Wife did the same thing. We're about this grind. So it just finished. 463 calories, 0.7, whole hour and 30 minutes. Distance. Oh no, never mind, that's not the distance, but that was the speed that we left off on. Now we're jumping on the back machine. Gonna get the scene. Hey y'all, so I'm finna max out this machine. Doing this for y'all.
Look y'all, he's about to max it out. Look at all that weight. Nice form and everything, y'all.
So my wife is getting it in too. Yeah, working on that back. Getting stronger each day. I told y'all I was gonna come in and get it for y'all. Man, we had an awesome workout.
Boy, I'm tired.
We did leg day, even though the people that I personally know say that we never do leg day, but shoot, we do leg day. We do leg day, man. We dread it, but it's gotta get done. So we went to Wendy's, got us a grilled chicken sandwich and some lemonade. Oh, thanks, man. Alright, you have a good one. Yeah, got caught on the signal light thing. Yeah, finna head home, get this grub on, see what's up. Imagine this, being behind your house. I drive with my wife in the neighborhood. You're not exercising in this way, so we stay consistent on this grind, y'all. y'all do the same thing. Y'all pull out y'all bikes, scooters, whatever, skateboard. Make sure you having some kind of movement, some kind of activity to stay in shape. So just do your thing. Do your thing. Stay fit. Sorry about the wind, y'all, but shoot, let me know in the comments how your journey goes on your bike ride. I'm at stopping. Let me know what's gonna happen on your bike ride. If not, let me know what goes down on the treadmill. How many miles you been doing? How many challenges you put against yourself? Just let me know what's up. Show me y'all's results. Hit me up on Instagram or Twitter or Facebook, whichever one. Bike ride is done. So, whew, man, it's a good workout. Nice, good old cardio. Rolling comfort zone. Kept pedaling. So, yep. So, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Hit that bell notification for more videos. Also, like I said, hit me up in the description or below the description. Hit me up. Hit me up under the description below. Peace.